That's okay, no worries. So we have all these different accessories that you can use that are all kid friendly. So there's a scooper, there's a slicer, there's a smusher.
Wow, that is satisfying.
Right?
It's really fluffy and nice.
Yeah.
It's nice for children with sensory issues as well.
Yeah, for sure. So that one's actually a phone stand.
A phone stand.
Yeah, so you can record your videos.
And you guys think of everything. I just like the scoopiness of it.
Yeah, I mean, it works as an accessory too, for sure.
What is the price point for a nice package of all the
Do you know the price point?
Sandifying, or whatever you call it?
It's $19. Yeah.
And what do you get with it?
You get a pound of blue sand, a pound of red sand, which makes 2 pounds of purple sand, and you get 10 tools which you can use to just kind of mold and layer your sand. One of the most satisfying ones is this thing. Got some red sand, some sand. Squish it.
Okay. And just smush it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh wow.
that was crazy. It's still going.
Satisfying to look at.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I was trying to find that.
The sand is still going.